Hello friends, welcome to Sudha's Veg Recipes. Our today's recipe is everyone's super favorite and kids just love it. So today's recipe is pizza toast. We can enjoy the goodness of pizza without actually going into the detailed hassles of its recipes. So for pizza toast, I have taken here some finely chopped capsicum, onion and de-seeded tomato almost in equal proportion. And let's fold all these into a mixing bowl. We'll add some seasoning to this, about half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes and some mixed pizza herbs, about 1 teaspoon. Finally, we'll add 1 tablespoon of pizza sauce to this and give this a nice mix. So this is mixed well now. Next I am taking few bread slices here. You can take any bread, white bread, brown bread, multigrain, whatever bread you have of your choice, and we can make now pizza sandwiches from this. By the time we are setting these, we can heat our pan on flame. Now let us add cheese slice first. On this cheese slice, spread some vegetable mixture that we have prepared. Spread it well so that it reaches the corners. Cover this with another bread. Press it slightly, and now we'll apply some butter on the top bread. We'll apply some butter, not too much, on the top bread slice. The pan has heated now, and we will place this on the pan with the buttered side down. Similarly, we will prepare the another sandwich, pizza toast, and again this also we will place on the hot pan. Cover it and let it cook for about 3 minutes. If you don't have cheese slices, you can use cheese spread as well. So spread cheese generously on one of the breads and top it with the filling. Cover it and it's ready to be toasted. The third option, even if you don't have cheese slice or cheese spread, you can have grated cheese on top of this from a cube or the cheese block. So whatever form of cheese you have, you can use it. Now after 2 minutes, we will apply some butter on the other side as well and flip them. You can see the bread has got nicely toasted. And in just 1 more minute, we will take these out. The pizza toast, let's check. Yeah, it has cooked so well on the other side as well. So now we will take them out of the pan in a plate. Let's remove them in a plate. And we will cut them. So let's cut the pizza toasts. And it's time to plate them. So our quick pizza toasts are ready. Pack them in your kids' lunch tiffin or serve them to their birthday party guests, and they will surely enjoy this. So please comment about this recipe and share it with your friends. See you with more exciting recipes in next episode. Bye bye.